So hi guys, so uh welcome back to our another video. So this time magso-solve naman tayo ng square root ng numbers manually without using calculator since hindi naman allowed si calculator sa exams. So here, as you can see, you're solving the square root of 6889. So unang-una dyan, aalamin natin kung ano yung possible na last digit ng square root ng 6889. Since it is ending by 9, which means yung possible last digit would be either 3, since 3 squared is 9, and 7, since 7 squared is 49. So this could be either 3 or 7. Yan yung ending niya. Then next, i-cross out natin yung last 2 digits. And next is yung matitira is yung 68. Next step, since 68 yung natira, aalamin natin kung saan in between si 68 na squared ng numbers. So, di ba between siya ng 64 tsaka 81. So this is between 64 and 81, which is 8 squared and 9 squared. So pipiliin natin dyan yung lower na value. So 8 squared, which means yung start ng ating yung first digit ng square root ng 6889 is 8. Ito lang yung pipiliin nyo, yung lower value or lower number. So 8. So next digit is eto kanina yung 3 or 7. So the square root is either 83 or 87. So paano natin malalaman if 83 or 87? Ayan. Since 8 siya, 8 yung start niya, yung next na nagagawin dyan, i-multiply natin si 8 times 9, which is 8 plus 1. Mag-a-add tayo ng 1. So, which is equal to 72. Ayan, 72. So, ito. So, 72. If yung natirang number, which is 68, if mas mababa siya doon sa product 8 times 9, yung pipiliin natin yung mas mababang value, which is 83. Pero if mas mataas ito yung natira kaysa dito sa product, ito yung pipiliin natin, 87. Since mas mababa siya si 68 kay 72, ito yung pipiliin natin, si 83, which means yung square root ni 6889 is equal to 83. Ayan. So next naman, square root ni 15376. So, yung same pa rin yung gagawin natin dyan. So, alamin natin yung possible na last digit, which is, di ba, 6. So, yung possible na last digit is either 6 or 4. Since 6 times 6 is 36, 4 times 4 is 16. Both are ending with 6. Next, kakancel natin si 76. Yung last 2 digits. Matitira sa atin si 153. So, si 153 is between what square of 2 numbers? So, di ba, this is between 12 squared na 144 and 13 squared na 169. So, pipiliin natin yung lower, di ba? So, 12. Nagsa-start siya sa 12. So, it's either 126 or 124. So, yung next na gagawin dyan, same pa rin. Multiply natin si 12 times 12 plus 1. So, 12 times 13 is 36, 12, 156. So, si 156, mas mababa pa rin si 153. So, which means yung pipiliin natin yung mas mababang value, which is 124. So, square root niya is 124.